Welcome to Wondertales! Imagine waking up every morning to the sweet, tangy taste of orange juice. That was the life of our young hero, Timmy. Each day, he would pour himself a glass of his favorite citrus delight, savoring the burst of flavor that kicked off his daily adventures. But one fateful day, his routine took a turn for the extraordinary. As the golden liquid cascaded into his glass, it began to sparkle, then bubble. Then with a resounding blast off, it shot into the air like a rocket. Suddenly, a tiny control panel emerged from the glass, blinking an irresistible invitation. Press here for a juicy space adventure. Without a second thought, Timmy pressed the button. In an instant, he found himself at the helm of the orange juice rocket, soaring through the cosmos. He zipped past a planet made entirely of pancakes, gave a friendly wave to a marshmallow moon, and skillfully dodged sprinkles raining down from a nearby donut asteroid. As he journeyed deeper into space, he entered the Milky Way milkshake galaxy, where he met an unexpected acquaintance, a floating orange by the name of Captain Zest. "Welcome, Juice Explorer," Captain Zest greeted. "Only the kindest kids can fly the juice rocket." Timmy's heart swelled with pride. He embarked on a mission of kindness, helping a lost lemon comet reunite with its mother and offering a lonely space cookie a comforting smile. With each good deed, the stars around him twinkled a little brighter, illuminating his path. When it was time to return home, droplets of orange descended gently into his glass. Was it all a dream? It was hard to tell, but there was something different about his orange juice. It retained a faint sparkle, a whisper of his incredible journey. And the red button? In the end, Timmy's daily routine was never the same. His orange juice wasn't just a drink anymore. It was a vessel of adventure, a testament to his kindness, and a reminder that even the most ordinary things can lead to extraordinary journeys. And so, each morning as he poured his glass of orange juice, Timmy would smile at the faint sparkle, ready for the adventures that awaited him. For he knew that in the world of orange juice, the possibilities were as endless as the stars in the galaxy. Thanks for blasting off with the orange juice rocket. Stay juicy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next fruity adventure. Bye!